Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, and today we are going to try to make a song. So, in past videos, we've talked about stable audio's text to music generator, and today we are going to see what it takes for us to make a little song. So, I have upgraded my account to a pro plan. So, we've got 500 generations for a month. Let's see. Yep, we have 500 tracks per month. We could generate up to 90 seconds, and we can use this for commercial use. All right. So I have some older prompts in here that got us going, but I kind of want to start fresh. And like I said, let's just see if we can make a song. So let's see. How should we start this? So stable audio here gives us some prompts. They're quite good and long, but I want to see if I can. So I kind of want to do something. Let's see. So I'm not a musically savvy person. I've never made a song before. So I gonna think. Let's see. Let's just try to start some prompts here and see what kind of things we can get here. Slow, melodic, trip. Oh wait, slow and slow. This is hard. Slow, like slow beat, very melodic, and okay, I'm not gonna lie. Let's get ChatGPT open, and let's see if we can get some more keywords we can use here. I'm struggling. Okay, so can you help me with some keywords to describe a song? I want to make something that is very trip hop, very soft and airy, very melodic. All right, let's just see. Dreamy, nostalgic, mellow. Okay. Okay, this is helpful. All right, this is kind of cool. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we pick one from each of these categories here. We can see. So trip hop. We want it to be ethereal. I don't know what organic textures means, but we're going to do it. Organic textures. Melodic features, evocative. All right. Evocative. Rhythmic elements, mesmerizing. This is going to be something. Vocal characteristics. We're going to script that. We're going to skip that. Production quality, reverb, drenched. And then introspective, you're hypnotic. Let's do hypnotic. All right, let's build this. Let's see what we got. I don't know. I don't know what this is going to sound like. All right. A lot of anticipation right now. Okay. Okay. While that's going, let's see. Let's check another. We'll get one going while the stable audio is building the song. I want something that is very British, very poppy, very danceable. Want it to sound like it was made in the 90s in a garage in Manchester, England. Lots of drum and bass. All right, well, let's let ChatGPT help us out with that, and let's give our song a listen. So it's 90 seconds, but we'll start it and we'll give it a little taste. You know, I kind of like it. I don't know. It's got a vibe. You know, it's got a vibe. Yeah. Okay, that was cool. Okay, let's see. All right, let's try a new song. We're gonna do Rave. I want something like 4 a.m. eating French fries, coming long night out. We're in the car. I don't know. It's just kind of like just kind of that like kind of a crazy night vibe here. Okay, so style, we're gonna go for rave. Let's see, emotional quality, exuberant, instrumentation, heavy. Yeah, it's heavy bass. I don't know. This is already sounding chaotic and melodic features. We like a catchy hook. We want to be feeling it. Want to be feeling it. Rhythmic elements. I think fast pace, right? End of the night. You wanna vocal characteristics, sassy. Sassy. I'm having a great time today, everyone. Production quality, underground. Yeah, let's do underground and raw. I want it to sound like it's DIY aesthetic, kind of like grungy almost. I'm excited about this one. This one's gonna be weird. All right, so we did rave, exuberant, heavy bass line, catchy hooks, fast pace, sassy, underground and raw, and DIY aesthetic. So for song 2, all right, Stable Audio is doing its thing, and I have one more that I want to do. So I wonder if we should. Oh, let's hit play. That was intense. Kind of sounded like, for those who would follow some of this, I don't know, it reminded me of something. I'm trying to put my finger on it, but very chaotic, very noisy. That did not go as well as the other one, I think. Yeah, that one was like, feels like it could be like the sound effects of a video game boss scene from like 2005 or something. But okay. All right, let's do one more. I got another vibe that I want to see if we can create here. Okay, so we're gonna stay with the same prompts. I felt like that's been helpful, but see, I want a sad song to soundtrack a movie with a breakup scene that happens out of nowhere. There's a lot of strings and a lot of emotional undertones and a lot of pain and suffering in the track. All right. So we got our same breakdown again as our last couple songs. Okay, these are pretty cool. So let's start off with the style. Let's do orchestral. I'm gonna go poignant, raw. Maybe raw. Sent this down the wrong path the last time. Ooh, string, solo violin, cello or piano accompaniment. Let's go string. Let's see what that does. String ensemble. So soul stirring. Okay. Crescendo. I like a slow build. Vocal characteristics. Production quality is minimal. And we'll do cathartic. All right. All right, so 1 out of 2. I think our first generation was, I don't know, that's something I would listen to. So that's always a good, good kind of. And this one I'm hoping for that kind of like movie moment, sad. Somebody's just gotten out of an Uber during a breakup. It's raining out. They can't get into their house. They're crying. You're watching them kind of really process what just happened into their life, and that kind of energy here. So, all right, let's get into this one. All right, we might do the whole 90 seconds here, everyone. Okay, wow. Not what I was expecting. That felt more like a, I don't know why video games are in my head today, but kind of you just kind of discovered the new world and you start seeing these new things and it's like, I don't know, it felt more hopeful than sad. But that was cool. That was cool. So I wanted to kind of see what we can do with stable audio and try to make a song here. And I think 2 out of 3 I think are okay. I think they're okay. I think it'll be interesting to see too what kind of, like some of the example prompts that they had might be a little hard to see with the gray here, but looks like they follow some sort of pattern. And I should probably have read the guide before I started this, but sometimes it's fun to just kind of start discovering things, right? So we were just kind of taking that journey. But I'm sure the prompting we can get a little bit better at and probably get a better result. But that was just a lot of fun, and I think that's what's so exciting about some of these things is just like, I feel like I can do a lot with something like this, and it feels powerful and it feels just awesome. And I think this is great. And I definitely just want to keep playing, kind of seeing what can kind of come out of this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of walkthrough with me, taking this walkthrough with me today. Oh, yeah, this was fun. We appreciate it. And thanks for coming by. And we'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks.